Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that we can see here ringtone notification volume panel, and just to change the volume of our device ringtone we should swipe to the left or to the right side this green dot. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should press up or down volume button on the right side of our device, and then we'll see here the settings icon. And just to unmute just to change the ringtone volume, we should by the same way hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this green dot, and then to tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.